Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today I'm back out on the production floor and I'm here with the production manager, Bob Everso. Now what we're doing behind us is we are making some military lockers for the government. But it's always been kind of hard to put these together and get them welded, so you came up with a pretty cool machine. You want to tell us what you've been doing here?
All right. In the past, what these guys have to do, they have to build these lockers up on a table, and that involves the operator climbing a ladder, getting up on the table, reaching over into the cabinet, actually getting into the cabinet to do his weld. And I thought, well, why not come up with something like a rotisserie, and with a set of trunnions and a fixture, they can now put all the parts to the cabinet in, clamp them in place, and they can actually reach in. They never have to leave the floor or climb into the cabinet. They can position the cabinet where it's the best for them to reach in and weld.
So we're building a lot of these. They're actually called a TA-50 military locker. And we're doing a lot of these for this order. It looks like we're going to probably try to do some more of these. So Bob, looks like a great idea. Much easier for these guys to operate. You did a fine job on this one.
It's a lot easier for the guy.
All right. All right. And that's all we got this week. We'll see you next week on another episode on Mondays with Milt.